Here's the sound of the South. Our show today features some of the great music from the 1980s. We open with music by Glenn Frey and Blondie. Today is a day to celebrate a true Trojan warrior. Throughout his legendary career, Larry Blakeney's Trojans have won 178 games, won 8 conference championships, advanced to the FCS playoffs 7 times in 8 years, appeared in a Sun Belt Conference record 5 bowl games, and have represented Troy University at the highest level of professional football. Today marks the 292nd game of Coach Blakeney's career as the head coach in Troy and the 532nd of his 45-year coaching career. He has won 65% of his games since he began his coaching career as the head coach at Southern Academy in 1970. Earlier this season, Coach Blakeney surpassed his mentor, legendary Auburn head coach Shook Jordan, for the 3rd most wins in the history of the state of Alabama. A member of the Troy University Sports Hall of Fame, the Alabama Sports Hall of Fame, the Wiregrass Sports Hall of Fame, and the recipient of the Johnny Vaught Lifetime Achievement Award, Coach Blakeney has coached and played in 16 bowl games and has defeated 57 different teams in his career, including Mississippi State, Missouri, Oklahoma State, and Navy. 21 of his players have heard their names called in the NFL draft. including first-round picks DeMarcus Ware and Leotis McKelvin. As it has done for years, Troy leads all Sun Belt Conference schools with 10 former players currently playing in the NFL. Larry Blakeney, a name that will forever be associated with Troy University, not only for the countless number of wins on the football field, but also for the tremendous impact he had on so many lives during his 24 years as the university's football head coach. At this time, ladies and gentlemen, please rise and join the Sound of the South in honoring Coach Larry Blakeney with the playing of our alma mater. For everything you've done for Troy University and done for all of us, we warmly say thank you, Larry. Featuring our auxiliaries, we close our show today with Rock You Like a Hurricane by the Scorpions. Ladies and gentlemen, the Sound of the South!